Hello guys, requested today was a tutorial. Well, a long time ago. It was requested about 3 days ago, but gonna barely do it right now. As you can see, I have Camtasia Studio open. And let me just go turn off my air conditioner. It's pretty loud. Okay guys, thanks for joining me today. My video? My video? Okay. As you can see, I already have a video right here. It's just some random video of me recording myself with my webcam. And here is, you just drag it on here as you saw me do, and choose the dimension you will use. What I like to do is this one, but with some videos, if they're not like almost your whole screen, it'll do this. And there is currently no way to fix that, but I will show you, let's just grab a different video for reasons unknown and show you that some videos, okay. So that is the video right there. And if you don't want that, just go to your recording dimensions, the most simple ones, because that's you, that's me. Okay, audio. Your audio, you can zoom in, see how high and low and tones and all that stuff. You can set how high you want it, you can set how low you want it, you can enable noise removal, you can enable volume leveling, and you can enable voice optimization. Usually I don't like these settings. They make game footage, game sound, I guess, if you may. They make game sound. Okay, let me rephrase that. They make your games sound crappy. Okay. Alright. Now, transitions can only work if you have two videos. Cursor effects, there's no cursor on this, so it doesn't have, it contains no cursor data. Yeah. Okay. Title clips, I'm not doing titles on this one. Voice narrations, not that hard of a thing to do, just start recording, blah 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 blah. I'm recording over my own self talking, so yeah. Okay. And then you just save, and there. You could also use audio settings on this clip. WAV, W-A-V, C-W-A-V. Okay. Volume up, volume. Oh yeah, I forgot to talk about fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out. Did we fade out? No, we didn't fade out. Fade out. Okay. I'm gonna delete the bottom one. It's really useless. Okay. You can record your camera. I wouldn't recommend you record if you have a really bad webcam and a really bad version of Hypercam, because it sucks. No, seriously, each time you do, it'll sound like, or like it'll just skip all your voices and your video will be like you moving around in a jiggly way. So yeah. Okay. Now, produce and share. For this, okay, wait, we forgot to go one last thing. Import media. If you want music, you might have to go in deep and find the actual original song, because if you download it from what are the people using it? What are the people using these days? FLVTO, yeah, that. If you get it from that, this is what happens. I'll show you an example of, I know it's illegal, shut up. Anyway, I'll show you an example. I downloaded this. Let's do this one. No, not this one. That one, see, right there, flvto.com. _com. This is what happens when you do that. Unable to create image for the file. Yeah, unknown media type. And this is, I'll show you an original one. works right there, see? Okay. Now that we're all done with that, PIP, picture in picture. This is how I do some of my like voiceovers, I guess. Voice and camera overs. First I start out with the game footage, you know, cam recorder, you know, all that. And then I put it in, and then I have a recording of me talking to my webcam. Then I just put it in there. I'll show you right now what that looks like. So, picture in picture. What you have to do to enable that, you go right here to tracks, click that arrow, PIP track, open that up, and drag your video right there. Sometimes it may not work if you're working with a cam recorder project, because what happens is it doesn't read it as a like regular. Okay, see, now there's two of me. Okay, it doesn't read it as a regular. It have to be WMB. I don't know. Just if you want to do that, you have to. Like if you want to put two game footage together, you have to produce the two footages you had, put one on video 1, then put one on PIP, and then you could play them at the same time. Okay, so no cam recorder things. Do you want to change the color? No, I don't. Are we still on air? Okay, we're still on there. We're not on air? Oh, we are on there. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So if you want, let me repeat this again. If you want two films together, side by side, you have to first produce them. Publish them, I guess. Publish them on your computer. And I will show you how to do that right now. Okay, produce and share. You don't want web, you don't want blog, you don't want CD, unless you do have these options. But for this tutorial, I am going to do custom production settings. It works best for me. YouTube always ends up with black bars next to the video and bad sound. So, custom production. Recommended, you should always do the recommended, unless your computer doesn't read those, but mine can, and I don't really use any of these. If you're making like animations, you could use GIFs. I don't know about all these other ones. They're like alienated to me. Is that? And then right here, flash controllers. When you're producing with MP4 FLVs with flash outputs, it allows you to pick your controls, but obviously we're gonna upload to YouTube, so you don't want to do that. So just pick no controls, and then I'll show you what are you gonna get. Alright, right here you can, the choice of, if you pick the flash output, you have a choice of putting a watermark, so that's pretty neat. Just put it right there. Okay. And I will say this as blah 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 blah. Finish. The render will be long, or not. This is a short video, so that was a short video. I mean, okay. Just wait for it to render. It's done. Finish. Go to your output folder. I don't even need this anymore. And there it is. Okay, be right back. Uploading to YouTube. First of all, people have problems with this because sometimes they try to put in their own cam recording projects. But when everyone knows, you have to produce your video first. And it has to be a WMV, AVI, I don't know what other options there are. Random pictures that my siblings downloaded. Anyways, what was that thing? Down here, right here. Remember that? Okay. For the purposes of this, it'll be private, and I'll call it tutor vid. Sure, whatever. Category, comedy. I don't know. No one can watch it, so it doesn't matter. No. Don't ever fall for these tricks. Don't fall for them. They make your video look worse. I think. Okay, now let's watch it. And once you know it's uploaded and everything, you can close out of that. Doesn't really matter anymore. It works, but you see these black bars? Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, that's it. That's all we have for today. If you want to learn about black bars and how to make your own sidebars and everything, I'll say 5 likes. 5 likes and I'll do another video. Because I know not a lot of people watch me. So 5 likes and I'll do another video with sidebars and everything. Till next time, guys. XX Dark Monkey Lord. You all know me, and I all know you. Does that make sense?